Meaning of fulmination.
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 Fulmination. The term fulmination refers to the act of loudly denouncing someone or something, often with great intensity and anger. It can also mean the act of exploding or detonating violently. The result of fulmination can be a forceful expression of disapproval or condemnation, which may influence others to take similar action. Alternatively, it could lead to an explosive release of energy, resulting in destruction or chaos. Ultimately, the impact of fulmination depends on the context in which it is used and the individuals involved.